Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing great while you're watching my video. Today I'm going to share with you some biscuits that I made using a machine that I bought from Joe Louis. So I'm going to make like a basic recipe of biscuit, like 250 grams of butter, soft butter. As you can see, it's very soft. I left it like overnight outside. 200 grams of sugar. Just mix them together. So after you mix them together, we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm gonna add here a pinch of salt, and 2 eggs. I will leave the ingredients for in a subscription box. I'm gonna leave it in Arabic as well. So 2 eggs, and then just mix it together. Mix it together properly. Before you add the flour, you have to mix the ingredients like really good, because after you add the flour, that's it, you just have to work it like just tips of your fingers. So I'm adding the flan, caramel flan, to add the flavor. You can add any flavor you want. This is a small cup of almond powder that I toasted. Again, you don't have to add the almond. You can add anything you want, or you can just leave it out of it. But the flavors, you can add anything you like. I had the caramel flan that I got from Morocco. It gives it a really nice taste. So the flour is about 600 grams of flour, or depend on the flour, but I had like 600 grams. So that's it. That now you just work it out with your fingers, like slowly. Don't like work the butter like too much. Just keep adding the flour until it's become like soft dough like this, so it's soft and you can make it to balls easy. So I'm gonna make a supply with that for birthday that I'm gonna be doing soon. But I took like this machine, I had it for a few weeks now. I bought it from Joe Louis in a sale. So it used to be about £65 or £55 or something, but I bought it for £27. So this is the first time I'm trying it. It's actually really good. We used to have, when I was little, do you see this? It comes with all those things that you can use to make biscuit. So when I was little, we used to have a similar machine in Morocco, and my sisters used to make this biscuit, and we used to love it. So when I saw it in the sale especially, I thought like I have to get that. So it comes with a booklet here. It tells you exactly how to use it, and it has like a few recipes as well you can use, and it has like a few languages, so English, French, I think Spanish, and maybe Germany. But it's very easy to use. As you can see, that's the machine. I have no idea what is that. I tried to figure it out, but I have no idea what is that. And here you have all the things that you can use to make different shapes of the biscuit. Yeah, so it tells you on the box which one makes which design. So that's it. You just take a little bit of the dough and put it inside. So when you press the button, it goes up, so you can give you space to push the dough inside. So when you fill it, you just put the one of those, which one you want to use. There's a lot of choices there, and that's it. And just tighten it up, and you just click it, like, you know, just click it straight on the mold that you're gonna use for the oven, if you can see. So you just click twice, and then that's it. It has two sizes. There is number 1 and number 2 in the side, so you just press it, depend on the size you want. So it's like 1, 2, that's it. So very, very easy to use. I'm gonna be making a lot of stuff with it, so I will share it with you. That's it. When it's finished, again, you just open it and use different shape, or you can keep going with the same shape. The instruction is all comes with it as well, so it's very easy to follow. So I made a little bit because I'm making a supply, like birthday supply soon, for my sister-in-law's son. So I just kept a little bit to try it as well while I'm doing the supply. So I'll share it with you soon, inshallah. It's the same recipe. I just made 2 things from it. So that's it. Just tighten it again, and there we go. So you just put it in the oven 180 degrees until they all brown. If you want to keep them like that as a simple biscuit, you can, of course. I put like a little bit of different decorations on them. So this one I used jam, strawberry jams with coconut, shredded coconut. So just halfway I made the half jam, and on top of it I put the shredded coconut. This one is white chocolate with some sprinkles. So again, half. So just put a little bit of white chocolate and then a little bit of sprinkles on the top. You don't have to do that. You can leave them as they are. They still taste delicious. If you want just ideas. So this one, the white chocolate that I had left over, I just, you know, just sprinkle it around on top, and I put again more sprinkles on top. So that's my biscuit for today. I hope you like it, and I will see you soon, inshallah, in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like video if you actually like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you very much for your support. As always, thank you very much. I'll see you soon. Bye.